Good evening, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. I will be sharing with you how to use lemons for healthy hair. Lemons are loaded with antifungal properties that will keep your scalp fresh and clean while controlling the production of oil. Lemon juice helps to re-energize dormant hair follicles, resulting in new growth. The rich vitamin C content in lemons helps boost collagen production, while the acidic nature of the fruit tightens hair follicles and keeps hair from falling out. Coconut oil and lemon juice help strengthen your hair. Coconut oil contains vitamin E and healthy fatty acids that moisturizes your hair, encourages growth, adds shine, and reduces keratin loss. The lauric acid in coconut oil gives it antibacterial and antifungal properties that also prevent dandruff. Coconut oil applied to the hair reduces hair breakage, and studies have noted that coconut oil penetrates the hair follicle better than the most common ingredients in hair conditioners. Lemon juice and ripe bananas help with itchy scalp. Bananas are rich in potassium that strengthens hair, minimizes breakage by restoring your hair's natural elasticity, and facilitates repair of damaged hair. Bananas also moisturize your hair as they contain natural oils and about 75% water. It also promotes shiny, silky hair with great elasticity and control. Lemon juice and aloe vera can restore your hair by strengthening it and make your scalp healthier. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E, which contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair, therefore improving damaged and dry hair. The best form of aloe vera to use on your hair is the raw gel of the plant. You can buy this gel in almost any health store, or scoop it out of leaves cut fresh from a live plant if you have one. The gel is clear in color and slightly watery. Avoid using lemon juice on scalp with open wounds and cuts to prevent irritation. In addition, lemons lighten hair naturally. If you are concerned with maintaining dark hair, then do not leave the lemon mixture on the hair for more than 10 minutes. And do not go out into the sun immediately after using a treatment that involves lemons. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.